This video is for assignment 3.1 on CISC504 course. So for the first problem, or what's the time? So the first requirement is to create a new script called currenttime.py. So here is the currenttime.py. And second, add a doc string to the script to explain what it does. So here, the doc string is tell the current time. Then import the datetime module and get the current time using datetime.now. So here, we import the datetime and we print the datetime.now. Then print the result, but only if the script is to be executed. So here we use the if this name is equal to May, then we print the datetime.now. Then execute the script in the terminal to check if it prints the time. So here is the terminal. Then we execute this script here. We can see that we can print the current time. Then import the time into Python console and check if the output does not print the time. So here we import the get the time function from the currenttime.py. Then we print the get time. Then we Ctrl Enter to run. So there's no output to print. So for the second problem, formatting customer names. Suppose I'm building a customer relation management system and I want to display a user record in the following format. And the format is the name and the location. However, if I don't have a location in my system, I can just print the John Smith. So first, create a format customer function that takes two required positional arguments, first name and the last name. And another one is optional keyword argument location. It should return a string in the required format. So first create a customer.py. So customer.py here, we create a customer.py, then define a format customer function. So here is the format customer function, and it has the two arguments, first name and last name, then one optional keyword argument. Then open a Python shell or Jupyter notebook and import my format customer function. So here I import the format customer function from the customer.py. Try running a few examples. So here, when I set the first name as John and the last name as Smith, and the keyword document location is equal to California, then we run it and it will print the John Smith California. But if I didn't set the keyword argument, because if I don't have a location in my system, I can just print the John Smith. So in this function, if I don't have a location, I can just print the John Smith. So for format customer, the first argument is Kimi, the second argument is Smith. So I just print the John Smith without the location. For the third problem, the Fibonacci function with an iteration. So first create a Fibonacci.py file, then define a iterative function that takes a single positional argument representing which number term in the sequence you want to return. So here I defined a Fibonacci.py and define a function named Fibonacci iterative here, and we also initial the first when a is equal to 0, the fn is 0, and when n is equal to 1, and fn is equal to 1. So here, when the argument is equal to 3, and we run the Fibonacci iterative function, and it print 2. And when we pass an argument as 10, it will return the 55. And for the first problem, the Fibonacci function is recurrent, and I define a recurrent function here, and we have the initial value 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 1. If the n is not equal to this value, we return the fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. And when we run this, it equal to 2. And when we run this, when the n is equal to 10, it will print the 55.